Here's how to make a video from one picture or text in just 60 seconds. Are you ready to take your content creation to the next level? In this video, I am going to show you how to use RunwayML to generate videos from a single image or text prompt. It is so easy even a child could do it. You can use this tool with no experience at all to create realistic videos that will blow your mind. If you have been looking for an easy-to-use AI video generator, then look no further because this might be the perfect tool for you. First, let's talk about the interface. The website is split into 3 sections. On the left side, you have your prompt and input section where you can upload your images or type in your prompts. Next, we have the generation settings and options. And finally, on the right side, we have our output video gallery. As you can see, we have 2 options to start generating our videos. You can either use a text prompt or upload an image to the tool to generate the video. For example, if I wanted to upload an image of a person and have them generated into a video where they are running through the forest, I would simply drag and drop my image into the box and then type running through the forest into the prompt field. You also have additional options here that you can check if you want to include those things in your video. If you don't have an image to upload, you can also just type in a text prompt and let your imagination run wild. There are literally endless possibilities with this tool. Once you are happy with your prompt and input, click the Generate Video button and wait for the magic to happen. As you can see, this tool is super fast and efficient. Within just a few seconds, you will have your video output in front of you. Now let's take a closer look at some of the real examples that this tool has generated. First, let us look at this example where the user uploaded a photo of a dog and then asked the AI to generate a video of that same dog playing in a park. The results are truly amazing and realistic. It's almost like watching a real dog playing in a park. Next, let us look at this example where the user used a text prompt to generate a video of a cat running through the jungle. This is an incredible example of how realistic and detailed the videos generated by this tool can be. The cat looks like it's really running through the jungle and the background is lush and green. Another great example is this video of a woman dancing in the rain. The woman looks like she's really dancing in the rain and the background is blurred out nicely. This creates a really cool effect and makes the video more immersive. Finally, let's take a look at this video of a man walking through the snow. The man and the snow look really realistic and the video is very smooth and fluid. Overall, these are just a few of the amazing videos that can be generated using this tool. They really show off the versatility and creativity of the tool and the amazing results that can be achieved even by beginner users. It is important to note that the quality of the output video really depends on the quality of the input image or prompt that you use. So if you want to get high quality and realistic results, you need to make sure that your input is as clear and detailed as possible. So let me share with you 5 pro tips that will help you to maximize your creativity and quality when using this tool. Number 1, be as specific as possible with your prompts. The more specific you are, the better the AI will understand what you want and the more likely you are to get the results that you are happy with. For example, instead of just saying dog, try to be more specific and say exactly what kind of dog you want, such as golden retriever. You can also add details about the dog's appearance, such as a dog with a brown coat and a white tail. Number 2, use descriptive words. Using descriptive words will help the AI to generate videos that are more detailed and realistic. For example, instead of saying person walking, try to use more descriptive words, such as a young woman in her 20s with long flowing hair walking along a beach at sunset. 3, use negative prompts. Negative prompts are a great way to control the output of your videos. By using negative prompts, you can tell the AI what you don't want in your video. This can be especially helpful if you are trying to generate a video of something specific and you want to make sure that certain objects or people are not included. For example, if you're trying to generate a video of a car driving down the street, You might want to use a negative prompt to exclude pedestrians from the video. This way, the AI will only generate a video of a car driving down an empty street. Number 4, play around with aspect ratio. The aspect ratio of your video can have a big impact on the final result. If you want to generate a video for social media, you might want to try different aspect ratios to see what works best. For example, you might want to try a vertical video format for Instagram stories or a square format for Instagram Reels. And finally, number 5, be patient and keep trying. It might take some time to get the hang of using RunwayML and to find the right prompts and settings to generate the videos that you want. But don't get discouraged and keep trying. With a little bit of practice, you'll be able to generate videos that you're proud of. I hope these tips were helpful and that they will help you to take your content creation to the next level. Now it's your turn to try out RunwayML and generate some amazing videos. Let your imagination run wild and have fun with it. And don't forget to follow for more AI content creation tips and tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.